Hey everybody, it's Greg Gentini from Detect-A-Chem, here to talk to you today about some of the biggest benefits on the MobileDetect drug testing pouches versus some of the older kits that pretty much everybody in law enforcement and first responders have been using for a very long time. The biggest difference really is the sampling method. With the old-fashioned kits, you have to scoop a bulk amount of the drug sample in, you put it into the kit, you shake it up. MobileDetect, the sampling method is totally different. The drug pouches for this, they all have a removable swab. Many times you can swab the outside of your typical corner bag. Another big difference is when you're initiating the reaction. As you can imagine, fentanyl, if you get a puncture through this vial and you're going right in your thumb, you could be getting a pure injection with a solvent of carfentanil into your hand. So with the MobileDetect ampules, once you've sampled with each pouch, very slight crack, your reagent pools down there and you'll have your color reaction. Once you have scanned this with the MobileDetect app, it's a snapshot in time of the color reaction. It's taking an individual time and date stamp and a serial number based on every QR code. It'll even GPS map exactly where you are. So we try to answer all the questions that a defense attorney may have, or a judge or district attorney may have. It converts everything in MobileDetect to an instant PDF report. That PDF is your probable cause. You don't need to hold on to the used test kit. That PDF has everything you need for probable cause. You just can't do that with some of the old-fashioned kits.